Hello Capricorn, welcome to the channel. This is Lady of the Throne, where God dwells within me as me. Thanks for being here today. If this resonates with you as you're listening, hit the thumbs up button, drop a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe before you go. Also, if you all are interested in a video recording where you look deeper into what's going on in your love life, I do recommend getting a video recording. That way you can get a personalized version between you and your person. That way you can understand better what you're actually receiving. And it'll be just like this, how you feel and how you both see each other, as well as your intentions, your real true intentions, any hidden secrets, and also some outcomes and helpful tips to move forward with the connection that you're working on or trying to manifest. So the link for that is going to be down below in the description box if you are interested. Please follow that link down below. It's going to be at the top of the description box. So Capricorn, I'm going to go ahead and get started. As we all know, August is a month for relationships as well as language, words, scribe, voice, and music. So being that this energy is present at this time right now, we are looking at song lyrics. And the song that I channel for you guys is Alicia Keys, Girl on Fire. The specific part of the song is she's just a girl and she's on fire. Hotter than a fantasy, lonely like a highway. She's living in a world and it's on fire, filled with catastrophe, but she knows she can fly away. So, as you can all tell, the very real meaning behind the song. I think a lot of people understand what that is now. But breaking down the lyrics here, we see that this is a person who is like a purifier, a person who comes into a space and cleanses it. This can be an energy that your person of interest carries, someone that has come into your life or is coming into your life to purify you, or someone who has purified you by being there or showing up in your area, vicinity, your world, your life, okay? So this person is definitely someone attractive. Could be a fire sign, an Aries, strong Leo energy here, or a Sagittarius. Or this person has a fire sign, rising sign for some of you, or fire Venus. But whatever it is, this is someone who has a lot of fire influence in their chart as far as the elementals are concerned. This is also a person who is, like I said, very attractive features, man or woman. This person gets a lot of attention. They could be popular. They could be in the spotlight. They could be famous. This is someone who seems to be a loner or very, very independent. The independent energy from this person is coming up very, very strong because of the lonely like a highway part. It's a person who is one of the pure people that you'll ever know that's left here in the midst of all this craziness going on in the world. So this is someone who is one of the purest souls that you will ever come across, okay? This is someone that I feel like you guys may or may not understand the value of this person, but I hope that this guidance helps you today with that part. Now let's get into this person's feelings about you and how they feel overall. What I'm getting here is, let's start with you guys. Okay, how you feel about this person. I think that you feel a sense of familiarity or family with this person. There is something about this person's soul that calls out or maybe screams out to you that you are related in some kind of way. It can be a past life connection. There is something about the past life where you guys knew each other. Your souls knew each other in a past life. You were family to each other, or you were friends to each other. You could have been, who knows, the lady at the bakery that a fire sign always visited in a past life, and you guys became really close, and now you're connected again in this lifetime, which is super, super cool. Because I'm getting a very, very strong past life connection between you and a fire sign. Strong female energy, but it can be males as well. and you guys knew each other. So there is a sense that you relate to this person, and you know that you do, right? There is something inside of you that it really touches you when you hear this person say certain things, or when you converse or talk to this person. It really hits home for you. You are so connected to this person. This is like a family member for a lot of you, or it's such a strong soul resonance that you feel some type of connection to this person, a spiritual connection to them. This is making you feel more closely bonded to this person, and this is also making them feel the same way about you. I think that this is making this person feel more respectful towards you, or even more respectful of your boundaries. So if you've been putting up a wall, or if you have boundaries right now with this person, they respect that. They respect that, because I think that some kind of way, I believe that this person knows how powerful this connection is between you and them, how great this connection really is, and how much it is developing within them like a new sense of love, or the freedom to love, right? To this certain capacity. This person loves you a great deal, okay? There is a lot of friendship, kinship, love, compassion, passion itself involved in this connection, and this is allowing you both to have a new respect for one another, because you guys know that you just get each other. You get them and they just get you. You understand where this person is coming from. There's a down to earth feeling about this person. There's a sense of home about this person. You get them. And I think that you genuinely really love this person. They genuinely love you. And with all of these feelings involved in this connection, this is helping you both evolve. Okay, or maybe you are in a process of evolving yourself, Capricorn, and you're starting to learn a lot of things about true divinity and the true nature of who you really are. Okay, and I think that you're starting to stand your ground in this era that you're in right now, or this new era that you're entering. You are standing your ground, or you are making it clear to the world around you that you are too a powerful being because of your capacity to love. And this is not in a malicious way. Sorry, this is not in a malicious way. This is in a very, very genuine way. And you do this toward this person because you understand their capacity to love you. This is a very powerful person that you're dealing with. And what happens is they're inspiring you. And that's what's going on. So if you've been feeling like you have more self-confidence, you feel more passionate about things, they're inspiring you. Okay, they're assisting you with this process. That's what I'm getting. So your person of interest and the way they feel about you, this is someone who is realizing that you really truly are the one for them. Their eyes are wide open. This person has awakened to the truth now. I don't think that they're fighting anything. I don't think that they're denying anything. I don't think that they're questioning anything. This person's not confused at all about who they are meant to be with. They know that it is you. They feel great. They feel abundant. Now that they feel all of this new love energy towards you, it's putting them in their mind a lot about you and about love. It makes them feel super imaginative and just this sensational feeling of bliss, because you put them in this very special energy because of your compassion. The Capricorns are the most compassionate sign of the zodiac. You all are very, very compassionate. When it comes to care, you're there. When it comes to sharing, you are caring. That is you all. You guys fit that description so well, because that is who you are as a Capricorn. It is not, that's how you are as a person. Astrology is the actual religion of the universe. The whole universe was created and is connected to this. And without a strong belief in this, you don't understand many things about the way the world works. But if you do, and this is something you're interested in, then you're already on the right track, and you just get it. And I think that that's what's coming up, and I believe that's why I'm bringing that up, because your person knows that you're into eccentric things, and that you understand the truth of everything, and they're connected, and they draw closer to you because this is such an empowering place that they see you in, because you're learning so many new things. And it's like bringing up this very beautiful energy within this connection together. It's like you guys could be dealing with someone with strong Leo in their chart. Strong Leo, because the Leo, or strong Aries, because these are even Sagittarius, you guys. Like if you go and look at these readings, especially if you're dealing with a person who has fire signs in their chart, you'll see the connection. You'll see what I mean by this. This is someone who shares that same synergy with you. And right now, you just make this person feel so good by simply being yourself. By being yourself, being in your own authenticity. Now, how do you see them? The numbers 29, 2, 9, or 11 may be relevant. For you or for them, could be life path numbers or birth dates. It doesn't matter. But you see this person in their soul purpose. There is something about this connection that is extremely real, potent, strong, and very, very mysterious. Because what is going on is that I think you guys have just met someone from your past life, or you are about to meet someone from your past life, or whoever this is that you're interested in being with. Something really powerful and kind of like magical may be happening within this connection that's happening behind the scenes. And I believe that this is happening because this is your past life person. I have a strong feeling, you guys, that after this month, you're going to have so much more clarity about this person, this connection. And I have a lot of confidence about what you're doing right now, because you're going to get all that clarity that lets you know that this is deeper than the surface. But this person choosing you is putting them on their path. It's helping them fulfill a destiny, follow their calling. They're tapped into their intuition now. They are tapped into all kinds of spiritual things, whether they're male or female. They could be seeking out oracles. They could be an oracle themselves. They could be a person with a spiritual gift, or they are just seeking these things. They could be very, very interested in things like this right now. You may notice that about them, how they see you. The numbers 30 or 3 could be significant to them or you in this situation as well. So we have 29 and 30 as the main energy, which talks about divine order here as well. But there is something about the silence that this person sees you in. They see you being quiet, though. Not really saying much, not really communicating. Maybe you are just choosing not to say certain things. Maybe you've disconnected yourself from them, okay? Maybe you choose to stay to yourself. But even though there is a murky feeling lurking on the surface of this connection, but if you go beneath the surface, if you go into a layer beneath the surface of this connection, you will understand what I was saying in the beginning, how powerful the love is, how potent the passion is between the two of you. It's there. There is a spark. It's still alive, even though on the surface it looks like you're distant from them. Even though it looks like you're so far away from them, you don't talk to them, you're not communicating with them, you're not around as much, you still feel their presence. This is a very powerful presence that you guys are dealing with. You still feel their energy. You can still feel their presence. This person has an energy that, just as the sun illuminates the entire world, this person is able to illuminate your entire heart. Your entire heart. They can light up your entire mind, help you see things that you never saw before, help you learn things that you've never known before. This is an enlightening individual. They have a lot of energy, okay, a lot of spiritual, psychic energy as well. And that's just what I'm getting here. This is someone who's on fire. Like when people say, I'm on fire for Christ, I'm on fire for God, you guys may hear that in especially New Age Christian churches. This person has that kind of like passion for Christ, but I think you see how much passion they have for Christ is interchangeable with the kind of passion they have for you. They put passion behind whatever they love. All right. And that's what I'm getting. Thank you guys. God bless.